plastic water bottles and recycling. How many of you use plastic water bottles every day? Quite a lot of you. Okay. 86% of 86% of plastic water bottles used in the U.S. become garbage that end up in landfills throughout the country. Considering that approximately 60 million plastic water bottles are used every day in the U.S. There are many arguments and stories when it comes to plastic water bottles and recycling. However, people don't have enough information about this topic. I support pro-environment. I believe in recycling and having a clean environment. I believe that if we have a clean environment, we'll have a better life. By learning about the manufacturing history and the health-related risk to water bottles, we will have a better understanding about water bottles and recycling. And this will help us to have a better choice in the future, to make a better choice in the future. First, I'll talk about the history of water bottle. In 1982, the first man-made plastic was invented by Alexander Parkes, and it was named Parkshin. It was developed from cellulose. Cellulose is just the fancy or the chemical way to say, a chemical way to produce water bottles. And according to the history of plastic bottles by Ilza Light, although the first soda water in America was created in 1835, plastic water bottles for soft drinks were not used until 1970s. This indicates that we started using water bottles less than 50 years, but we can imagine or we can see the impact of water bottles have in our life. And now I will talk about how plastic water bottles are made or manufactured. There are two types of plastic, thermosets and thermoplastics. My topic is related to thermoplastics because that is the raw material to produce a plastic water bottle. According to Plastic, Comm Waste and Materials, thermoplastic softens when it expands to heat and turns to original natural temperature. So we will be able to give you this kind of image or this kind of composition. So when you hold water bottle, that makes that kind of sound, like cracking sound, because of, it's made of thermosets or that was made from thermoplastics, and it happens to have this kind of shape. Before I talk about the history and how water bottles are manufactured, now I'll talk about the health problems of using water bottle. There are two sides when it comes to plastic water bottles. The company or some people who manufacture water bottles believe that there's no health risk using plastic water bottles. According to them, they say that it's more safer to use plastic water bottles or to drink from plastic water bottles than tap water. But Dr. Jen Solomon, a senior scientist at the Nuclear Resource Defense Council, said that there is no reason to believe that the bottled water is safer than tap water, because the main reason for this is that tap water is regulated by FDA, and water bottle doesn't indicate which chemicals they use. And the main chemical they use to produce water bottle called bisphenol A, BPA. And according to Cancer Society and other organizations, they believe that people who use a plastic water bottle for a long time have high risk of developing breast cancer, and for guys, it's reduced the sperm count. Since I talked about the history, how manufacture and health problem, now I'll talk about recycling, because I believe we cannot separate recycling and water bottles. So why do we recycle? The main reason we recycle is for two main reasons. Reduce the amount of energy and resources used every day, and help us to have a clean environment. My conclusion is I hope you learned a lot about plastic water bottles, and this will help you to make better choices in the future. America used about 50 billion plastic water bottles last year. However, the U.S. recycle rate for plastic is only 23%, which means 38 billion water bottles, more than $1 billion worth of plastic waste each year. Every time you drop a plastic water bottle with a fork, just remember this.